State Asida COVID na Shiba Amatta Yaodri. State asigi mafam amatada hojik phawba COVID-19 na sibagi report amata Leitri haina Manipur Sarkar gi Health Department gi spokesperson Dr. K.H. Sasikumar mangang na thadorokpa cherol aman haire. Cherol asina makata na hairibade Assam gi Kasar district ki Poilapul da posting taba kuntha taret suba Assam Rifles ki personnel ama COVID-19 na positive oiraba matungda Silchar Medical College ta laikanarba matung tang taraga mapanda laikhidabani haina phongdorokle. Thawbal district ki manung da laiba community quarantine center ani amasung Lilong Kendra gi dam mathaki akoiba maphamsing containment zone oire haina ngasi district magistrate na laukthokre. Containment zone laukthokraba community quarantine center ani adudi New Ideal High School Thawbal amasung Sanga Yumpham Higher Secondary School block sini center ani asida laiba inmate tarok ngarang COVID-19 positive oirakwadagi containment zone laukthokibani. Thawbal district ki mafam ayamba COVID-19 gi containment zone haina laukthokraba maramna New Assembly Complex Major Khunda Lairiba Guest House amade All Assembly Complex ta Lairiba Guest House ta Thawbal District ki officer, official, employee, visitor sing sangbada kudak ta giating bathamkre masigi matangda ngasi Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Secretary M Ramni na cherol ama thokre.